The tasty tale of spare ribs, a flavorful English lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where language learning meets real-life usage. Today, we've got a mouth-watering topic for you. The phrase, spare ribs. This isn't just a phrase you'll encounter at a barbecue restaurant. It's a juicy part of English vocabulary that's worth sinking your teeth into. So, let's chew over the details together. Let's dive into the meat of the matter. Spare ribs refer to a popular cut of meat from the rib section of pork or beef. But it's not just a culinary term. It's a piece of cultural language, too. In many English-speaking countries, spare ribs are a staple at family gatherings and festive occasions. This cut is known for being tender, flavorful, and cooked in various styles, from barbecued to smoked, and even slow-cooked. Why are we talking about food in an English lesson? Because food is a big part of culture, and culture shapes language. In countries like the United States, spare ribs are synonymous with Southern cooking and soul food. They carry with them a sense of home, tradition, and celebration. Understanding this phrase goes beyond vocabulary. It's about getting a taste of the English-speaking world's cultural richness. Now, how do you use this savory phrase in everyday conversation? Here's an example. For the 4th of July, we're going to grill some spare ribs and corn on the cob. Notice how the term can instantly conjure images of social events and delicious meals. It's not just food, it's an experience. Believe it or not, spare ribs can also have a figurative meaning. In some contexts, it might refer to something that is not considered essential. Spare, as in extra or leftover. But this usage is much less common and quite context-specific. And that wraps up our tasty topic for today. We hope you found this explainer as satisfying as a well-cooked meal and that you're now equipped to use the phrase, spare ribs, with confidence, whether you're ordering at a restaurant or weaving it into a conversation. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious bites of the English language. Bon appétit and happy learning!